So to make the mutton pulao, first we'll pressure cook the mutton. I'll add 2 cups of water. Now to this I'll be adding half an onion slice, 2 cloves, 4 peppercorns and a small piece of cinnamon. Let's add this to the water. To this I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste. I've taken about 500 grams of mutton. This is with bone in, and now I'll add it to the pressure cooker. So the whole spices and the ginger garlic along with the onions will give a light flavor to the mutton when it's getting cooked. Stir it well and let it pressure cook for 5 whistles on a medium-low flame. I've taken about 1.5 cup of basmati rice and I need to soak this for half an hour before making the pulao. So I've cooked the mutton for 5 whistles and I've let it cool down completely. And let's open it. It has a nice aroma, and time to remove the mutton pieces separately. I'll remove the mutton in a bowl. Don't throw away the stock. We require the stock for the pulao because that is the actual thing which will give the pulao the flavor. So I'll remove this also in a bowl. I'll wash the rice nicely and remove the excess water. So now we move to the final step, is making the pulao. I'll add a generous amount of oil. For this recipe you don't require ghee, but if you prefer ghee you can use it, but generally you need to make it with oil. I sliced 2 medium-sized onions and time to add it in the oil. Fry the onions well until nice golden brown. As you can see, the onions have turned nice golden brown. I'll remove some for garnishing. Time to add in some whole spices. I've taken about 5 green chilies. Now I'll add in 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, stir it well. Time to add in 2 teaspoons biryani masala. If you don't have biryani masala, you can use garam masala. I made homemade biryani masala, so if you want the recipe, please do let me know in the comment section. Saute this for a minute. Time to add in the mutton pieces. Mix it well. So now it's time to add in the rice. So the ratio for adding the rice and water now will be, for 1 cup of rice you have to add 1.5 cup of water. That's the exact measurement, will give you perfect rice. And I've taken about 1.5 cup. So I'll be adding 2 and 1/4 cup of water. Let's add in the rice. So the mutton stock came about 1.5 cup. So I'll add it into this bowl. The remaining 3/4 cup I'll be adding it in the bowl itself. 3/4 cup. So my 2 and 1/4 cup of broth plus water is now ready to be added to the vessel. Gently add it. Cover it with a lid and keep it on a very low flame. So if you are cooking in a vessel like this, there will be a small opening. Block it with a clove. Just put a clove over here and block it so that the steam remains intact inside the vessel, and let this cook for about 18 to 20 minutes on very low flame. So it's almost 18 minutes. I'll switch off the flame and let's check on the pulao. As you can see, the rice is nicely done. It's nice and fluffy and it's not sticking to each other. Let this cool down completely and then you can proceed to mix the entire thing, because if you mix it right now, the rice might break and turn mushy. So let it cool down and it's ready to be served. You can garnish it with some onions and serve it with some raita. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and show us your love. We'll see you next time.